Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity for options trading. First, understand that options trading involves contracts giving you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. Fidelity offers a comprehensive platform with various tools and educational materials to help you navigate this market. It's essential to grasp the risks involved before you begin. To begin options trading, you'll first need to apply for options privileges on your Fidelity account. This process involves a review of your financial situation and trading experience. Fidelity offers different options levels, each allowing for specific strategies. For example, a margin account often requires a minimum balance of $2,000 to enable certain options trades. Once your account is set up, you can place an options trade. Navigate to the options chain for the underlying asset you're interested in. Here, you'll choose your strike price, expiration date, and whether you want to buy a call or a put option. Always double-check all the order details, including the number of contracts, before you click to submit your trade. After placing your trade, actively managing your options positions is key. Regularly check market movements and how they affect your contracts. You might consider setting stop-loss orders to help limit potential losses. Also, pay attention to implied volatility, as it significantly influences option prices. Staying informed helps you make timely decisions about adjusting or closing your positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.